Hi everyone, in today's video I'll present you Neje mini laser engraving machine. I have here the 1000 milliwatts one. They are really small lasers, but they are easy to use and install. Basically plug it in, install the drivers and software, and that's it. Really easy to use the software as well. They are really useful if you want to engrave small things like keyrings or small wallets or anything else. You can engrave with it leather, cardboard, paper, wood. I have this laser for a couple of months. I've been using it quite a lot on my projects, and it's a really nice laser, but I had to change it because I wanted something bigger, as this one you can engrave on small surface and it's really small. I wanted something big for my projects, and I had to change to a bigger version, to a bigger laser. But for small projects and small things is perfect. So let's see what it's all about. So I'll do a test for you. I have here this piece of wood. And there you go. This is the result. As you can see, it's a really nice. As you can see, it's a really nice result. For sure, if you want to buy a laser engraver, is Neje is worth. If you want a laser for to engrave small things, it's worth to buy it. But if you want to use it for bigger things, like for example phone cases or bigger wallets or anything else, I would recommend you to buy a bigger one with a bigger working area. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys later.